Welcome to the intersection of pristine hygiene and relentless industrial engineering.
Every drop of water is calculated. Every cycle is engineered for absolute perfection.
It begins with the highest grade of stainless steel, forged to withstand a lifetime of heat and corrosion.
Immense hydraulic pressure stamps the seamless inner chamber, leaving no room for leaks.
Advanced laser welding fuses the joints, creating an impenetrable fortress against water.
The steel is rigorously inspected, ensuring a flawless surface for ultimate sanitary performance.
Dense acoustic armor is bonded to the core, engineering a machine that operates in absolute silence.
Fluid dynamics are optimized digitally, mapping the perfect trajectory for high-pressure cleaning.
Thermal barriers are injected, locking in the extreme heat required to melt away heavy grease.
The heart of the machine is anchored, a brushless powerhouse designed for relentless, friction-free longevity.
The hydraulic heart is locked into place, engineered to pump gallons of water with devastating force.
Titanium heating cores are forged into the base, guaranteeing water temperatures that obliterate heavy grease.
Advanced optical sensors are integrated, giving the machine the intelligence to analyze every drop of water.
Precision-engineered spray arms are pushed to their rotational limits, ensuring edge-to-edge cleaning dominance.
Solid brass intake valves are anchored with extreme torque, eliminating any point of failure.
The digital brain is encased in waterproof armor, orchestrating the brutal mechanical washing cycles. The heavy-duty outer shield is forged under immense pressure, matching industrial strength with modern elegance.
Counterbalanced steel hinges are lubricated for a lifetime of flawless, heavy-duty operation.
The central nervous system is heavily insulated, routing power safely through a hostile, high-heat environment. The indestructible washing chamber marries the heavy-duty chassis, locking the internal architecture in place.
Micromillimeter laser scans guarantee the stainless steel chamber is absolutely watertight.
Heavy steel racks are armored in high-grade nylon, engineered to endure decades of boiling heat and friction.
Low-friction ball bearings ensure the heaviest loads glide effortlessly on command.
Heavy braided steel cables are calibrated to counterbalance the solid metal door perfectly. Advanced ion exchange systems are integrated, chemically purifying the water to prevent hard-scale buildup.
Multi-stage microfilters are locked down, forming an impenetrable barrier against food debris.
Extreme hydrostatic testing pushes the pumps and seals far beyond their standard breaking points.
In the anechoic chamber, the machine proves its ultimate feature: devastating cleaning power in absolute silence. The digital command center is awakened, merging intuitive design with brute mechanical capability.
The armored facade is locked in place, an emblem of unrelenting engineering precision.
Heavy-duty telescopic rails are secured, engineered to support massive loads of ceramic and glass. Advanced aquastop valves are locked into place, an impenetrable safeguard against catastrophic leaks. Dense counterweights are bolted to the foundation, ensuring absolute stability when fully loaded. High-voltage diagnostics push the circuitry to the limit, guaranteeing flawless electrical resilience.
The stainless steel facade is polished to a flawless, mirror-like finish, blending industrial might with modern luxury. The digital command center is sealed under protective armor, preserving its pristine condition for the end user.
Micro-measurements of the heavy-duty door seals ensure zero heat loss and absolute water containment.
The completed monolith is hoisted from the line, marking the end of its brutal creation.
Encased in shock-absorbing armor, the machine is secured to survive the harshest global logistics. A relentless logistical machine deploys these engineered marvels to kitchens around the world.
Volcanic minerals are sealed into the core, engineering a drying system that annihilates moisture with extreme natural heat.
High RPM extraction fans are anchored in place, built to violently purge steam from the washing chamber.
The chemical payload bay is locked in, calibrated for explosive detergent release at the exact millisecond. Laser precision fuses the neural network, ensuring absolute digital control over the brute mechanical washing cycles.
The main power artery is secured with industrial shielding, built to withstand massive electrical surges.
Extreme contamination testing proves the microfiltration system can devour and purge the heaviest grease without hesitation. Layers of dense acoustic armor are crushed into the frame, suffocating any remaining mechanical noise. Massive tension springs are stretched to their absolute limits, engineering a heavy door that glides like a feather. A violent chemical purge sterilizes the chamber, ensuring medical-grade hygiene before it leaves the fortress.
Tested. Purified. Authorized for global deployment.
Pushed beyond boiling point, the internal architecture withstands temperatures that would melt lesser machines.
Armored racks absorb catastrophic impacts, engineered to carry the heaviest culinary iron without bending. Military-grade waterproof resin seals the digital brain, making it invincible to catastrophic internal floods. The foundation is locked down with heavy steel bolts, eliminating all operational vibrations.
Relentless fatigue testing ensures the heavy steel hinges outlast generations of daily use. High-density steam chambers test the microseals, proving the absolute watertight integrity of the armored hull.
Industrial brass couplings are torqued to maximum capacity, forging an unbreakable connection to the water supply.
Its identity is permanently scarred into the steel, a badge of unyielding industrial origin.
Bound in high-tensile armor, the machine is sealed tight for the brutal logistics of global transport.
The behemoth is lifted, ready to deploy its devastating cleaning power to the front lines of the modern kitchen.
The final clearance is granted. The armored cleaning vault is ready for dispatch.
Logistical leviathans prepare to deploy this industrial hygiene weapon across the globe.
The convoy rolls out, carrying a payload of uncompromising, heavy-duty cleanliness.
No environment is too remote for the deployment of absolute, engineered perfection.
The transport armor is shattered, unveiling the pristine stainless steel monolith within.
The machine slides into its permanent high-tech bunker with micro-millimeter precision. Anchored to the architecture, the machine becomes an immovable force in the modern kitchen.
The digital core is armed, ready to unleash devastating water pressure on command.
A laser targeting system engages, the only sign that the silent destroyer of grease is currently active.
The relentless cycle of heavy-duty creation continues, forging the next generation of domestic dominance.
Loaded with the heaviest culinary wreckage, the machine prepares for total annihilation.
The vault is sealed. The destruction of Greece begins.
A brutal hydrostatic storm is unleashed, tearing away debris with unrelenting force. Titanium cores superheat the water, melting down microscopic grease at the molecular level. The chemical payload is deployed, triggering a devastating reaction against all contamination. Volcanic mineral tech ignites the final phase, obliterating all moisture with searing, natural heat.
The cycle concludes. The heavy-duty fortress opens to reveal its flawless work. Uncompromising hygiene. Flawless perfection. A masterpiece of industrial power, disguised as modern elegance. The heavy-duty standard of cleaning, engineered for a lifetime.